Hey good people, Nails by Ra here, and I had to come and share something with you all. I said to myself earlier today while in the supply store, how have I been telling my people how to do dip powder, and I have not told you what to do in case the inevitable happened? Your Force brush hardens. Oh, I couldn't believe it. But no fear. You invest in some brush cleaner like I did. When I first learned how to do SNS, the dip powder system, what happened was I did not let my number 3 dry long enough, and then I put the number 4 on. Oh, it was a nightmare. And I was nervous because I thought, oh no, I just wasted all this money on this entire system and now I can't use my 4. No fear, the brush cleaner saved my day, and it continued to save my day because you learn how the dry times work, and a lot can affect your dry time. Sometimes it's the temperature, sometimes you were moving a little too fast and you lost count. It happens, but the brush cleaner is here to save you in case those things do happen to you. My rule of thumb is to always wait 3 minutes for the 3 and 3. It just happens. It works together and it's magical. So as I went along and did the SNS and the dip powder system as long as I could, I realized that system worked for me. And you'll find what works for you as I did. But I learned that as I did most of them and as I went on and had more practice, I didn't need the brush cleaner as often. But if you are a beginner dip powder extraordinaire, it is best practice to have the brush cleaver. It will save your life. It will save your brush. Trust me. ANC has had you covered from start to finish. I mean, the base, the color, the dip, you name it. Brush cleaner should be on that list as well. So again, if you are a beginner or even if you are an extraordinaire, it is best to have the brush saver on standby. It will look green when it is old, but when you first get a new one, it will be aquamarine blue in color. Again, once it turns green, it's no good. Toss it, get a new one, because it has happened to me where I'm thinking everything is fine, and then I go to swipe the 3 and wait my 3 minutes and then swipe my 4 and my 4 brush hardens. And that has happened. It has happened when I'm in a pinch in the salon. It has happened with my last client of the day, and we both want to go home, so I'm stuck buffing it back off and then doing the 3 again, and my 4 dries again on the brush. And trust me, my day would have been saved if I just had some brush cleaner. So please make sure you invest in some. It lasts you forever if you are really good at what you do and you have slip-ups every now and then. But again, if you are a beginner dip powder extraordinaire, please invest in brush saver.